Tree Planet News Service here. We're flying around Tree Planet Studios. Over here, you can see where they're filming another episode of War on Tree Planet. Our helicopter is experiencing a little bit of turbulence. That's why the image is not real stable. As we come around here, just the other day, it was in this area right here where a rocket launcher had been set up. Not sure where the rocket launcher went to. They left under the cover of darkness. But now, as you can see, the area is completely... They're incoming!